Writing a script. A movie screenplay or a script is a form of narrations in which the movements, actions, expressions, and dialogues of the characters are described in a certain format. The major component of a script are actions and dialogues. Action describe what is happening in the scenes. Dialogue is what the character is saying. Elements of the screenplays are scene headings, actions, transitions, dialogue. Character names. There is a general rule for storytelling. You should show the audience what is happening rather than telling them. For example, instead of having a character say, "I'm really angry at you," you should show the character acting in an angry way. Perhaps he slams on the table with his hands. In short, make actions speak louder than words.